Iron-Sulfur cluster, essential for ribosome function, a newly published study from RPTU Kaiserslautern-Landau reveals that a single iron-sulfur cluster is critical for proper ribosome assembly within cells. This discovery significantly advances our understanding of metal-ion roles in protein production and cellular function. The findings, published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, demonstrate that disruption of this cluster directly impairs ribosome function, halting protein synthesis. Ribosomes and the role of metal ions. Ribosomes are the cellular machinery responsible for creating proteins, the workhorses of life. Metal ions, particularly iron, play vital roles in numerous biological processes, including energy production and DNA repair. Researchers at RPTU have now identified that a specific iron-sulfur cluster is essential for ribosome assembly itself. The MAC16 protein and its iron-sulfur cluster. The study focused on the MAC16 protein, a key component in ribosome production. Researchers found that MAC16 is stable and functions correctly only when it contains the 4Fe4 iron-sulfur cluster structure, consisting of 4 iron and 4 sulfur atoms arranged in a cubic pattern. Without this cluster, ribosome production breaks down entirely. How the cluster works: MAC16 contains a pocket designed to hold the 4Fe4's cluster in place, stabilized by 4 cysteine amino acids. The research team created modified versions of MAC16-1 with the intact cluster, and one without to demonstrate the cluster's importance. Using a technique called immunoprecipitation, they showed that only the intact version could reliably bind to its partner protein, RPF1. Consequences of cluster absence: when the cluster is missing, ribosomes fail to assemble properly. Yeast cell experiments confirmed that rRNA production and ribosome maturation depend directly on the presence of the 4Fe4's cluster in MAC16. Validating the cluster's identity, researchers used advanced spectroscopic techniques to confirm the cluster's composition. Electron spin resonance (EPR) spectroscopy revealed the presence of iron ions, while Merspor spectroscopy precisely analyzed how the iron atoms are bound within the protein structure. Cluster sensitivity and cellular stress: the 4Fe4's cluster is highly sensitive to oxidative stress. If it disintegrates, ribosome production stops. This suggests the cluster also acts as a sensor, signaling to the cell when protein production needs to be reduced. Implications for cell biology: this discovery expands our understanding of how cells control protein production and respond to stress. Disruptions in these processes can lead to problems in protein synthesis or cellular function. The research highlights the critical role of metal ions in fundamental cellular processes.